check this one out. Look at that. Jalapeno cheddar sausage. So, and you can see, let's get in there real good for you right here. You should be able to see there, and you see the jalapeno and the real cheddar cheese and all that. This looks fantastic. All right, so this is called Southside Market and Barbecue. That's where it's out of. It's pork and beef sausage, jalapeno cheddar. It's out of Elgin, Texas. There you go, get you a picture of that. And so what I'm gonna do, now I don't know if you know or not, so I'm on a quest for cheesy jalapeno sausage. I had some at Tender Smokehouse in Salina, Texas. That's where this series that I'm doing on jalapeno cheesy jalapeno sausage, that's where this is going to end up. Maybe a few other YouTubers with me or something. It'll be somewhere beginning in March. Anyway, I'm doing a series. Up at the top, I'll leave a link to the playlist that's having the series of me doing the different sausages. And it's also possible for me to do one that's not cheesy jalapeno. It's just something I find that I really like. All right, I got a little cold tonight. That's fine. It's Papa, Texas. This is Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. What I'm gonna do right now, since I'm not feeling real good, it's going on the Z grills. I'm gonna smoke it for a while, and then I'll kick the heat up, and I'm gonna grill the rest of the way out. Get it to, I don't know, 150, 160, whatever I feel like doing or what I remember. And I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do a taste test. Yeah. Oh, I'd also leave a link to the playlist down below or in the first comment. Yeah. All right, well, there's them beauties right there. Look at that. Yeah. Those look really good. All right, grill time. Oh my goodness. Just look at it. Let's get two pieces of, oh, look at that. Very nice. Look at that baby. This one is very different than all the other ones I've been trying. As I said before, I'm doing a series on different cheesy jalapeno and maybe some other sausages. This one's a little hot off the bat. Look at that. But it's good. So far, I have no problem. We're gonna go with another bite. Oh, look at that. Huh. This one here, of course, Tender just blows everything away. But I tell you what, I don't know which videos all have been out in this series or not yet. But so Chili's restaurant and Local Yokel, those are kind of almost the same, and they've been coming in second together on the different ones I've been trying. Local or Tender Smokehouse in Salina, Texas has been coming out number one, but this one here, Southside Market and Barbecue, it's very different than Tender Smokehouse. I taste the cheese, cheddar cheese actually, very good. And I taste that kick of the jalapeno, whatever else they may have in that. I'm kind of talking for a few minutes because I'm just trying to see if some more heat comes into it, but it's heat I can manage. I don't know. I mean, I'm more of a heat guy than I thought I was, but yeah. This sucker is right up there. So I'm gonna do this. This one's gonna turn into my number 2. Tender Smokehouse is still my number 1. This is my number 2. Number 3 is a tie between a Chili's restaurant and Local Yokel. And the others so far I've done are below that. Yes, the heat is coming in on the back of my palate, back of my throat. But it's really good. All right, I'm gonna go fix up the rest of my dinner. You'll have an awesome one. If you enjoy the series, It's up at the top. It'll also be down on the playlist. I mean, it'll be down in the description. And it may be the #1 comment for you. All right. It's Papa Texas. This is Papa's Kitchen. See ya. Yeah.